I have a question for you. Would you like to know ways by which you can get your mind off negative thoughts? If so, then pay close attention to this video. Hey, this is Rajiv Kumar Love, the soft skills expert, welcoming you to this video. Through my videos, I want to inspire you to improve your life and achieve your goals. In this video, I will give you some effective ideas where you can start using right away. First, let us be very clear about one thing, and that is if you are thinking too many negative thoughts, then it is an indication that you are already overusing your mind. So stop doing that and get into some physical action. Here are some actions you can take. Number 1, exercising. Number 2, listening to your favorite music. Number 3, reading an uplifting book. Number 4, swimming. Number 5, gardening. Number 6, talking to or going out with a positive friend. Number 7, watching a funny video or movie. Number 8, walking around your building. Number 9, playing with or walking your pets. Number 10, engaging in a hobby you enjoy. Number 11, you can stand up and start swinging your hands till the negative thought stops coming. Number 12, singing or humming along to music. Here's one of my favorite. And in this particular technique, what you do is take a piece of paper and then write down all your negative thoughts on this paper. Now fold this paper and hold it in your right hand. Now hold this paper, look at the paper, and then say these words. You have no control over me. You are my enemy, and right now I am going to destroy you. Now tear the paper and throw it off. Next time when negative thoughts come again, what do? Write them again and tear it again. And if it comes again, then write it again, tear it again, till it stops coming. By the way, I would appreciate if you shared what do you do to get your mind off negative thoughts. What has worked well for you? So please share in the comments below so that others could also benefit from your experience. So if you found this video useful, please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. This is Rajiv Kumar Love, your friend, personal coach, and guide. I love making videos for you. I will be back with yet another video. Until then, take care.